Decoding GMAT and GRE scores. Dive into the numbers. Hello there, learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of GMAT and GRE scores. If you've taken one of these tests or plan to do so, it's crucial to understand the scoring system. So let's break it down together. The GMAT and GRE are standardized tests that measure your readiness for graduate school. But here's the catch: their scoring systems can be a bit complex. GMAT, the score ranges from 200 to 800. Most test takers score between 400 and 600. The score is an amalgamation of your verbal and quantitative scores but does not take into account the analytical writing or integrated reasoning scores. GRE, it's a bit different. You'll receive a separate score for verbal reasoning and quantitative reasoning. Both these scores range from 130 to 170. Additionally, there's an analytical writing score, which ranges from 0 to 6. When you get your score report, you'll also see a percentile rank. This number tells you the percentage of test takers you outperformed. For instance, if your GMAT score percentile is 90%, you did better than 90% of the test takers. For GRE, if your verbal reasoning percentile is 85%, it means you scored higher than 85% of the examinees in that section. Percentiles are a fantastic way to gauge where you stand compared to other students. It's essential to remember that while scores are important, most graduate schools look at your application holistically. Bigger than a number, your score is just one component. Schools also consider your GPA, recommendation letters, work experience, and more. Average scores. Many schools have a median or average GMAT or GRE score for their admitted students. If you're below this average, it doesn't mean you won't get in, but it's essential to highlight other strengths in your application. Yes, if you're not satisfied with your score, both tests allow retakes. GMAT, you can retake the GMAT after 16 days. However, you can't take it more than 5 times in a 12-month period. GRE, you can retake the GRE after 21 days, up to 5 times within any continuous rolling 12-month period. It's a good idea to consider retaking if you believe you didn't perform to the best of your abilities or if you have evidence, like practice tests, showing you can score significantly higher. Alright, we've decoded the GMAT and GRE scores. Remember, these scores are just a snapshot of one day's performance. They're important, but they're just one part of your story. Always focus on presenting your best self in every part of your application. Best of luck, and here's to reaching your graduate school dreams.